Clayton.
Hey, Karsten.
Welcome to the Plumbing Guru's office. Thanks for coming in.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so today's question, what's the biggest mistakes you've made in scheduling? I'm getting old.
Oh, okay.
Sorry. Okay, so what's the biggest mistakes you've made in scheduling and dispatching?
Biggest mistakes was straight up not using Jobber. Straight up. Scheduling. I just kind of absolutely. But that would.
While he's
that would
elaborating, so we have an affiliate link. If you guys want to get a discount on Jobber, you get a 20% discount on the first 3 months. Comment Jobber if you're watching this on Instagram, and click the link in the description on YouTube. Back to the video.
Was that supposed to be like a cut or something? Like
you didn't like that?
I was sitting. Well, no, I thought it was good. You did good.
Tried to make like an ad.
You did good. So I mean, I used to do all my scheduling through different calendars. So I'd have like my Outlook calendar. I'd have my calendar on my phone, even through like text messages. Mm-hmm. And man, what a mess! We
were extremely unorganized.
It was very messy, and very hard to be consistent with a schedule.
Terrible when it was just like the two of us.
No, but it wasn't great.
We added Theo. It got harder.
It'd be like Monday morning. It'd be like, what are we doing this week? And we're both just
we'd be like, we don't need to put it in the calendar. We'll figure it out. I mean, when I first started my business, I had everything up here, and I never used a calendar. I was a wizard at remembering everything. It's just the more you do, and the longer you do this for, and the older you get.
I mean, I could easily manage myself. Yeah. In a week, 2 weeks, I could easily. But when you start having multiple 3 or 4 guys, and then all of a sudden there's more contractors that are coming in that are requesting quotes, and then you get all this information in your head, and all of a sudden you're like, oh shit, I was supposed to be somewhere on Thursday, and it doesn't happen. But anyways, so Jobber really has a very clear and concise format, or even a calendar.
It's very user-friendly.
That you can,
it's easy to read.
Very easy. Yeah. You can change the colors on your subcontractors, so you know exactly. You go, oh, teal is this guy, blue is this guy, whatever, etc. And then
you're telling me like I don't know how Jobber works.
Well, I'm explaining to your audience if they're interested in Jobber. I know you know how to use Jobber. Okay, so it's intuitive as well. It saves addresses for your contractors as well. So it's once you start building it, it's super intuitive, smooth, easy to use. It's like I'm not very bright when it comes to technology, but I am getting better. But when I first started using it, I was completely new to it.
I think
and I had no problem
easy,
using it. It was as simple as almost picking up my iPhone and just working around my iPhone. It's very intuitive to what I was thinking. It was
and we've used like we have our CRM that we use for our Plumbing Guru's business and stuff, and its calendar function's not the greatest, and we have to use it because it's like we have everything built within it. But like Jobber, like my God, it's like it is a lifesaver.
They did a very
and the
good
crappy
job
part is, guys, if we don't make a sale in the next month or so here, we're not going to get a free account anymore.
Yeah, so somebody sign up.
Please sign up. We need one person to sign up. Yeah, and we can keep using Jobber for free.
Yeah. And you get a 20% discount.
Yeah, you get a 20% discount.
So hop on it, guys. Let's
go. We make a couple bucks. But anyways, like Jobber's also, I wish we got it a long time ago because we used to use Joyce. Joyce was really good for that's how I started my business. It was just for invoicing. Yeah. But then we needed QuickBooks and Joyce, and they were linked together. And then eventually we were just like, what the fuck are we using Joyce for when QuickBooks does all this stuff? Yeah. So now we just use QuickBooks for all our invoicing, estimating, and all of our accounting stuff. But then Jobber approached us because we have our following and whatnot, and they give us this account to try out, and we love their scheduling, but we don't really use it for their invoicing. Jobber does a ton of stuff. Yeah. So we don't even use it for like a fraction. We only use it for the scheduling, but it does a ton of other stuff. But it's like we're already so deep into using QuickBooks, we didn't really want to switch over. But if you're not like super deep into using QuickBooks for invoicing and you're looking for like an invoicing and all-in-one platform, Jobber's great for everything type of thing. Mm-hmm. It's just we're too far into it. It's too much.
It would make sense for us
because they do work together. Same idea. You can connect them and sync them. But yeah, the scheduling portion. Anyways, back to you. So other than
you just kind of took over. I don't know why I'm here. I'm just warming up the chair for the next guy, I think.
Thanks for having you.
Okay. Thank you.